Hello, today we are in Olathe where we just finished up a kitchen. In this kitchen we ended up painting this island. These cabinets, took all the hardware off, doors came off. This was actually a repair, a fix-up that we had to do from a different contractor who didn't do a good job. And as you can see, we came in here and now they look brand new. We use emerald trim paint, Dover white, per the request of the customer. So we're wrapping this one up. We thought we'd just show you this. A lot cheaper than replacing your cabinets. All right, this is Edwin with Home Pros. Oh, by the way, we did do all this trim also over here. But the main showcase here is this kitchen. Once again, this is Edwin with Home Pros, and we'll catch you next time.